There's a question that makes most software agencies uncomfortable, and how they respond tells you everything you need to know. The question is, what happens after you launch? Most agencies are set up to build and ship. Their business model is project-based, scoped work, fixed timeline, invoice, move on. Post-launch support is either an afterthought or an expensive add-on nobody mentioned during the sales process. But here's the reality. Software isn't done when it launches. That's when it starts. Bugs will appear that testing didn't catch. Users will do things nobody anticipated. Security patches will need applying. Integrations will break when third parties update their APIs. The agency that built your system knows it better than anyone. If they disappear after launch, you're either scrambling to find someone new who needs weeks just to understand what was built, or you stuck with whatever problems emerge. So before you sign anything, ask, what's your support model after launch? Is it included or is it extra? What's the response time for critical issues? What happens if we find a bug in month 3? Who maintains the service? Who handles security updates? If they get vague, or the price suddenly jumps, or they try to change the subject, that's your answer. The best agencies plan for launch day as the beginning, not the end.